Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's products I will be reviewing is the Perfect Line Swiss, which is a knot concealer, and also the Wigdealer's Melting Spray. I ordered tan too as well. I was trying to see which color better suits me, but today's review I'll be using the color Mitch. And before I apply it on my wig, I did leave the stick inside of hot water for about 20 minutes. It is kind of runny, so I'm going to take the stick and rub it on top of the wig. It's not sticking as well as I would like it to be, so I'm just pushing it up to try to get it on the part where I'll be having my closure. But as you can see right here, it's like clay, as you can see. But it's not going on as smooth. So I don't know if I didn't have it in the water long enough, but this is how the product is coming on the wig. It's going on the wig. Look kind of clay-like. So yeah, for some reason, I don't know if I put this on right, if I didn't I don't know if I didn't leave it in the water long enough, but it is not coming out as smooth as I have seen other people videos. I did leave it in the hot water for about 20 minutes and it's not coming out smooth. So you could just see me playing with it, trying to get it out the stick, and it's just coming out very clumpy. It looks like mud or some type of clay, but it's not smooth at all. So, yeah, I'm not feeling this right now. I don't know if I did it right, but I'm struggling to put this product on this part right now. And also on the directions, well, it says that in the tube it will look darker once you apply it on. And as you can see, this is a little darker than my skin complexion. So, yeah, it doesn't look like it's lightening it up a little bit. So I'm taking the bottom of my comb and just rubbing it in the parts to kind of see if that will smooth it out, because it's still a little clumpy. I'm going to see if that helps out the product more to try to smooth it out and get it to blend in those knots. But it says on the instruction you do not have to bleach your knots. This is kind of a product to help put on your wig so it can hide those, those dark dots that, make it look wig like. And so instead of bleaching the knots, because I'm not a professional with bleaching the knots, so I figured this product would help me to kind of conceal those, those knots instead of bleaching, because I always bleach through my wig. But I'm struggling with this product. It's not working for me. You know how you see on other videos, like their product is working good for them, but yeah, I'm a test. This does not work. I did look at Lovely Brianna's video on YouTube to see how she used the product. She used it perfectly. It worked for her. It looked really good. And also Miss Precious Marie, when she used it, it looks good. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but it's not working right. I may try like how Miss Precious Marie used hers. She blow dried it, and as she was blow drying and she was putting it on. So I may try that next, but dipping it in the water and then putting it on there, it didn't work for me. So this is the wig flipped over to see the product through the lace. I don't like it. It looks a hot mess. It looks terrible. This wig looks bald, and his hair right there is just the product is covering the hair. So yeah, I think I did it wrong. Um, it does not look right, but I am gonna try it on. It may look right when I put it on top of my head, but yeah, that's a no for me with this product right now. So you guys, this is going to be my first time to install a wig on camera. So I'm very nervous but excited so you guys could kind of see my process when I'm installing my wigs. So I'm just adjusting my wig to my head, and as you can see, the perfect line twist is on my wig. In the camera it looks like it blends, but in person and when I'm in the light it's kind of dark, so it does not blend my skin tone as much as I would like it to be. But my scalp is lighter than my skin complexion, so it's not as dark. So the first thing that I do, I make 2 slits in the front on the side, then I just pull the wig up to match my hairline, to make sure it matches my hairline. The next thing I'm using product will be the Wigdealer melting spray. Baby, when I tell you this melting spray is the truth, it's the truth. So I put the wig's melting spray on by sections, and then I use my blow dryer using cool air. So this, if you don't like glue, which I don't, this melting spray is the bomb. So as you can see up close right there, that's me spraying the melting spray and using my comb and going in to melt that lace. And yes, I did not pluck it as good. That's something I'm still working on. I'm a learning process with installing wigs, so my plucking needs to be better. But I also like to pluck it when it's on my hair better than when it's off of my head. So yeah, just watch me install, watch me work. When cutting your lace, you have to be very careful, and as you can see in this video, I was not. This is the part when I noticed that I messed up. So I cut my lace too close, and then I also cut my forehead as well. And I started bleeding. So you gotta be very careful, especially when you're using brand new razors. You gotta be very careful when you're cutting that lace because you can mess up and you can end up looking like me. So as you can see, I have installed my wig. I used the Wigdealer to install it. I think I'm getting better and better with installing these wigs. So I did dye the hair black, jet black. As you can see, the dye took very well. And yeah, I'm still struggling with doing my baby hair. So this is kind of what it looks like. I was just trying to figure out how I want to do it. I don't like a lot of baby hairs except for when I was using the razor, I kind of did cut myself with the razor right here. So I did the baby hairs right here to, you know, cover it up so you can't see it. And then on this side, I was just struggling with doing the baby hairs right here. So yeah, this is the finished product. As I said, this is like an 18-inch. It comes like right here. To my hair, I have it curled, and it is a glueless wig. It's no glue. I use the Wigdealer spray, so I just have to use shampoo and water to remove this wig. But yes, I love it. It was a long process. As you can see, I was struggling putting this wig on, trying to do it, but yeah, this is the Siyun Show hair from AliExpress, and I installed it with the Wigdealer melting spray, and I love that Wigdealer melting spray. I'm going to be ordering me some more. So yeah, guys, this was my first install. As you can see, that's the Perfect Line Swiss in the color Mitch on my skin tone. I am going to try it again and use the color tan and use the blow dry method to see if that works better when I'm installing it. But I do like this install. I think I'm getting better with putting my installs in. So yeah, I'm just going to keep trying and trying until my installs look better. That's the best in what I can do. So yeah, thanks for checking out my video and see you next time.